Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Buddy Daddy.
Nani.
Mummy.
Happy birthday to you.
Buddy Daddy, have a nice day. When I come to Agra, I love playing with you. Love, Father, Buddy Daddy.
Hi Nani, again a very happy birthday to you. I would like to thank you today for giving us such a precious and a memorable childhood from which is full of memories, which has so many things from eating food while watching Ramayan, Mahabharata, which we still remember till date, and I can, recite it to Kaira with every episode. Also doing lots of paintings, carom, learning tabla, and learning how to play code piece. The only card game that I know till date is code piece. Thank you so much. Also, would like to thank you for tolerating me all those 5 years when I used to come from Jaipur to going to Lucknow and coming back to Agra from Lucknow. Thank you so much for giving me such memorable days of my life, and thank you for making me what I am today. We all love you a lot. Hope you have a very amazing birthday and an amazing life ahead. Thank you.
Hey Nani, wishing you a very happy birthday today. So Saisha asked for me to mention some of my best memories with you, and there's many to choose from, but one of the memories I always remember the most is of you, me, Ish and Nana playing cards together. And usually I'd be on the same team as you, and we'd be a very good and honourable team, and we'd always call out Ish and Nana whenever we saw them cheating. And secretly on the side, we used to cheat a lot as well, but as long as we were sure that we would not get caught. So I look forward to the next time I come to India and I get to play cards with you again. But until then, just wanted to say have a very happy birthday today. Love you loads, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.
Happy birthday, Nani. I'm talking to you after a long time. I really want to say, Nani, you have been a guiding light to all of us. You have been a great person in all our lives. And I still remember, Nani, before joining DNB, you were saying to me that, Gitika, relax, enjoy, don't stress. I know this is not required. Even I realize it now. And I know our elders always tell us right, and they have so much of experience of life. They will never tell us wrong. So one thing I want to make sure on this birthday is that once I reach Jaipur, I look after Rachit, Kaira, Mummy, Papa very well, and I make sure that you visit Jaipur frequently and we all spend really good time together. And on this day, I really again want to say that we all love you, not because you are our Nani, but because you are a friend and you are a companion, and we enjoy your company. We love you, and hope you enjoy your day and have a great day, Nani. Love you, Gitika.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday for Friday. Happy birthday to you.
Kissy.
I'll FaceTime you on Friday.
We love you, Big Nani.
We love you, Big Nani.
Are you going to say something?
Dear Mummy, once again a very happy birthday. You are one of the most talented mothers anybody could imagine. तुमने हमें अपनी तरह बनाने की इतनी कोशिश करी, लेकिन तुम इतनी ज़्यादा टैलेंटेड हो कि हम उतने मार्क तक तो नहीं रीच कर पाए, लेकिन कुछ तुम्हारे जैसे हैं. तुमने हमें म्यूज़िक सिखाने की कोशिश करी, स्विमिंग, कुकिंग, ड्राइविंग, मतलब जो स्टिचिंग एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स यू ट्राई टू टीच अस. कुछ तो सीखा, लेकिन तुम्हारे जैसे नहीं बन पाए. आई थिंक यू आर द बेस्ट मॉम anybody can think of.
Birthday, Mummy. Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday again. Lots of love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Nani.
Big Nani.
Happy birthday to you. Kissy. Lots of kissy. Sophia, where's your kissing gone? Have a very happy birthday, and we will join you again on Friday.
behind you. Goodbye. See you on Friday. Bye.
Wish you a very very happy birthday, Nani. Wish you lots of happiness and health.
मेरे को हेल्थ एंड हैप्पीनेस ऑफ कोर्स, बट आई वुड लाइक टू रिमेंबर कि जितनी भी हमने समर ब्रेक्स आगरा में स्पेंड करी हैं, दोज हैव बीन वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एवर. आई विश वी कुड गो बैक इन टाइम टू रीलिव ऑल ऑफ दोज. कैंट जाना शाम को, एंड आई रिमेंबर अच्युत और मेरी जब हम आगरा पहुंचते थे फॉर समर वेकेशंस, आप हमको पकड़ती थी और है ना मलाई से हमारी मालिश होती थी कि आय हाय कितने गंदे बच्चे आए हैं काले कलूटे से और हम दोनों भागते थे उससे. आई डू रिमेंबर कि जब भी हम लोग आगरा आते थे, आप बहादुर से यू मेड श्योर कि फ़िश करी डेफिनेटली बनवाई जाए, बिकॉज आई यूज़ टू लव इट सो मच. रियली रियली अमेजिंग टाइम. एंड अभी हम लोग आ नहीं पा रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड सिचुएशन एंड जो भी चल रहा है, बट आई रियली होप कि हम बहुत जल्दी इंडिया आएँ एंड वी मीट यू वेरी वेरी सून. होप यू हैव अ वंडरफुल वंडरफुल बर्थडे and wish you lots of love, lots of happiness, lots of kisses.
Jairam ji ki.
Bye bye. Take care.
Once again, a very happy birthday to you. I wish you have a very long, healthy, happy and purposeful life. In fact, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for providing me with a life partner who is really talented, and I hate to admit that she is more sensible than me.
एक चीज की कमी रह गई, इलेक्ट्रिक चीजें ठीक नहीं करती. इसके ताने काफी सुनने को मिलते हैं, मम्मी जैसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चीजें ठीक नहीं करती हो तुम.
Anyway, once again a very very happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Nani.
Happy birthday, Big Nani.
We miss you a lot. We hope you're well and enjoying your very special day. And we're remembering a lot the time that you came over here, aren't we? And we had lots of fun and games together. And we hope we will see you again sometime soon. And we miss you. Happy birthday.
See you on Friday.
On your birthday.
On your birthday.
Bye bye.
Bye.
मेरी बेस्ट मेमोरी आपके साथ है जब आप मेरे को मैगजीन से सुपर हीरोज़ की स्टोरी सुनाते थे, और हर शाम को मेरे बाहर खेलने जाने से पहले या सुलाने से पहले आप मेरे को एक सुपर हीरो या तो स्पाइडरमैन, सुपरमैन, बैटमैन की स्टोरी सुना करके मेरे को सुलाया करते थे, जिसमें मेरे को बहुत मज़ा आता था. आई विश वी कुड गो बैक इन टाइम एंड लिव दैट अगेन. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दादी. मेरी आपके साथ मेमोरी है जब मैं आपके साथ बेड में घुस के सोती थी और आप मेरे को कहानियाँ सुनाती थी और मेरी पीठ पे गुजली करती थी. वो बेस्ट मेमोरी है. तो आई होप मैं फिर अभी भी आपके साथ बेड में घुस के आप मेरी गुजली करो. हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे dear mommy, happy birthday